Hello, Sarah. Hello, Mark. Are you hungry today? Yes, I am hungry. The fridge is empty. We have no food. We need bread and milk. Let us go shopping. I have the car keys. I have the blue bag. Is the store open? Yes, it is open now. We are at the store. It is a big store. Look at the red apples. I want 4 apples. Are they good? Yes, they look fresh. I like yellow bananas. Put 6 bananas in bag. Where is the milk?
The milk is over there.
Is it cold milk?
Yes, it is very cold.
Get 2 big bottles. I have the milk now. Do we need eggs? Yes, we need 12 eggs. Be careful with them. I am very careful. I want some white bread. The bread is fresh today. It smells very good. I see the cheese. Do you like this cheese? Yes, I like that cheese. How much is it? It is $5. That is a good price. We need some water. Get the large bottle. The cart is full now. Wait, I need a shirt. Where are the clothes? They are in the back. I like this blue shirt. Is it too small? No, it is my size. I want a new hat. This green hat is nice. It is $10. Put it in the cart. Are we finished now? Yes, we have everything. Where is the line? The line is there. It is a short line. That is very good. Hello to the man. He is the clerk. How much do I pay? It is $60. Here is the money. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You have a nice day. Let us go home. The bags are heavy. I can carry them. You are very strong. Open the car door. The door is open. Put the food inside. I am tired now. I am tired too. But we have food. Yes, the fridge is full. I can cook dinner. I like your dinner. We are home now. Help me with bags. Okay, I help you. The kitchen is clean. Put the milk away. The milk is cold. Put the bread here. I want an apple. The apples are sweet. Thank you, Sarah. You are welcome, Mark.